Now arriving into platform 4B in Ipswich is 17270, terminating from Cambridge, and is heading back on the 1320 service. One 17270. One 17270 arriving, terminating from Cambridge.
That's not running a service at all.
Hello everybody. That was a few tones of the car there. Didn't quite get it on camera. Green signal. Might get a Class 90 crossover there on platform 2 and on platform 1. Unless the 1309 stays where we were, since we were stuck behind a red signal. It waits for this to head out and arrives into this platform again, because they may be using platform 2 for the Felixstowe train, which is running late, because the time is now 13:05. So we shall have to soon find out if the 1309 Great Anglia service from Norwich London to Paul Street will arrive into platform 3, and I think it might do. So we'll have to find out. Now arriving into platform 3 at Ipswich is the 1308 Great Anglia service from Witham to Norwich, due to bus replacements. And we have found out that the 1309 Great Anglia service to Witham is going to be off platform 2, and the delayed 1258 to Felixstowe will be in front of that turbo star there. Anyway, this is 82132, I think. Yeah, 82132 on the front. And we should get the rear of the 90 number when she heads off. There it stops. Okay, so up there was still 153. Unfortunately, you can't see it in the window. You might see it through there, probably. It's difficult filming through a window. Unfortunately, I can't get the number. But we should get it when it heads out, because this should be leaving before this one. And as you can see, that's just turned its headlights on, is I think 86638. I'm not too sure, but we'll soon find out if that will head out. And here it goes now, leaving 82132 out of platform 3. I'm not sure what the 90 number is yet, but we'll soon find out. And this is Form D's 1308 Great Anglia service from Witham to Norwich. Goes 82132, leading its way to Norwich.
Are you going to be down with the coach?
No. Too many. And the 1309 Great Anglia service from Norwich to Witham still has not yet turned up. On the rear of this is 9008 the East Anglia, it's stopped. And the 153 still hasn't headed out yet, due to passengers still boarding the train with some sort of delay, unfortunately. So, good view from down there, again it's swerving round. It's good though, isn't it? It's swerving round.
Okay, so that is turning round, and we might see another one coming right here.
Yeah.
1309.
It is late,
Yeah, it's a bit late.
Yeah, because it's now 13:12.
Yeah.
Departure was meant to be 13:09 and arrive here at 13:07. It's already 5 minutes late when the time is now 13:12. Here now arriving into platform 2 at Ipswich is the slightly delayed running the arrival of 6 minutes late. It's the 13:09 Great Anglia service from Norwich to Witham. Oh, it's coming into place. It's coming into platform 3 again. So I'm not too sure why they doing this. This is the second train in a row. The second train in a row this is. London bound Mark 3 set arriving into platform 3. On the front it's 1909. We'll get the DVT number when it heads off. Thanks for the wave from the driver. This is now the second train, unless all the trains are stopping in this platform on the bound Mark 3 set today. And 82118.
118. Okay.
And the 153 I think is leading too, so we'll just get a bit up here to get it to leave, then we don't get the DVT in the way. Wait, no, there's no driver. I don't think. I can't see a driver.
Okay, make the depart is in 12:58.
Maybe it's on the other side.
That's now delayed by 16 minutes.
Yes. Well, it's now left 17 minutes late. That's formed at 12:58 starting here to Felixstowe. And that'll be late coming back.
Yeah.
153306 is forming the service.
It's definitely that 1:30.
It's only one every
As if I remember from
one every hour.
It's always the same train every time it comes through.
Yeah.
The same train.
And there is 17201, which will in a couple of minutes' time be leading the 1317 Great Anglia service to Lowestoft. Also, if you can see there might be more 66s. There's 17270 there, it's leaving in 5 minutes for Cambridge. There's 321339 with 321 something something something. There's, I can see 5 66s and an 86, and I think it's 8663 or 639. About to leave platform 3, Ipswich is 1909 with 82118 on the rear, which is just here. As you can see in the camera, you can't see because the 9's up there. Now arriving and departing of platform 3, and maybe at the same time leaving platform 1 as the 1317 Great Anglia service to Lowestoft. Oh, but it's happened twice in a row now. They're departing off platform 3. It could have done it many times before. And off goes 17201 to Lowestoft.
That's the one that actually got 26 falls off from. That one. As Katie recognised it. Yeah, okay. My own. 201 with the one with the 26 falls.
That's quite a good view of the Turbostar there. 17201 heading its way to Lowestoft. Well, it's a shame I missed the tone. 17201, which is still making its way up there, just did a tone, unfortunately, but oh well. 17270 has turned its headlights on, heading to Cambridge, so we should get that leaving in just a moment. It's been quite good here so far, hasn't it, Kevin? Yeah, it's been quite good so far, hasn't it? Quite a lot of passenger and stuff. Hasn't been any freight yet, unfortunately, but it's been good passenger action.
Originally it was 1314 freight. There was a 1314 freight.
Yeah.
Nothing
Fortunately, it
has
was
happened,
runs
it's a
as
run
required.
It's a queue at the end.
Yes.
It's a run as required one.
Oh dear. Oh well.
Nothing could happen.
We'll get this turbo star leaving in just a
So we do
moment.
see lots of freight in this one, so it's just to make sure that it doesn't. Okay.
Now
6
leaving platform
seconds
4.
early, but this is departure 1320 at the Great Anglia service to
At
Cambridge.
Ipswich is 172.72 with 13.20. Great Anglia service to Cambridge starting here.
Well, last week was actually what 666 last week. Oh, nice open driver, thank you very much. Oh, yes.
Whoa, that was a nice tone. You don't get a lot of tones here, but there's one there. Thank you, driver, for the tone. Really appreciated. Thank you very much. And there is, you will see, it's swerving around the corner up there. Like, this unusual, red headlights there, and it's moving. That's what I saw on Tuesday. I saw 170 leading its way with red headlights down at Regent Street. 66517. I apologise if it's quite dark, you know what I mean, in the camera, but it's going to stop there on the stop sign. In a couple of minutes, we'll have an arrival of a turbo star, which we got beam pod would have caught to Peterborough, where he is right now at the moment with Peter. Okay, there's now a 66 light engine pulling into that track side there. Six 572.
572.
I know it's got red headlights. 170 rather 272 or 273 is arriving into platform 4 at Ipswich.
This is like either the worst or either the sort of best, sort of worst. All these 27s are always like awful. But then it's not.
I think
272 isn't anymore.
it's 272.
Oh, 272 is time it hasn't changed. Here's one
At least it's not 273 or 271.
Yeah.
Because 271 has already been, we saw it on the 12:11 to Peterborough at Stowmarket. We worked the 11:58. (172.72) terminating from Peterborough. Act arrive 13:28 and 3/4. So I'm going to end the video here just before it gets on to 15 minutes, otherwise this video won't be able to upload. But it's been great here. I've enjoyed my filming here at Ipswich.
Oh yeah,
there's
already quit that hour.
It has been. It's been good action, like with passenger. Hasn't been the great, but oh well. If you enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to like and subscribe for more, and it would be greatly appreciated. Plus I'm 6 subscribers away from 200, which I really want to get to, then I'll announce what I'll be doing for it. So, in the meantime, I shall see you all later. Goodbye. Bye from Kevin.